Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a backdrop in Scratch. So let's go and get started. First, let's go ahead and click the create button, and then you're going to come to the scratch.mid.edu editor. So here is a Scratchcat. Delete the Scratchcat, and we are going to make a backdrop. If you want, you can make it as a sprite, but you don't have to make it as a sprite if you want to move and adjust the X and Y, because in the backdrops, as you can see, there is stage selected, no motion blocks. So there are no motion blocks in the stage because the stage can't move, right? So as you can see, the stage doesn't have any X and Y. I see when I click on it, it doesn't do anything. Okay, guys, so how to create a backdrop is you can hover over the backdrop button and click paint, or you can go to the backdrop stage, just click stage and then click backdrops if it's on code, and then you'll come to this site. So now what you're going to do is you are going to click on the square button. Don't mind about this purple because we are going to change the color. So now we are going to make green grass. Green is always the grass color, so we're going to make no outline, and we are going to make grass. So here is the grass. You can make it a little bit bigger, as you can see. Okay, here is how we made the grass. Now we're going to make the sky. So we are going to go ahead and get a nice light blue color, teal color. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, now let's put it on this. Okay, as you can see, I am almost done with the sky color because I don't think this is too good, but we can put a different sky color. Let's see. Yeah, this one's good. Okay, now what you're going to do is we're going to make a sun. The sky is not as good as well as including the sun. So we're going to go ahead and make a yellow sun. We are going to you can make orange, red sun, or orange sun, or yellow sun. I just want to choose a yellow sun just for the basics. Okay, so here is the color I'm choosing, and this is how your sun is going to look like when it's done. Now, how do you make it like original sun? Well, you need to move it to that corner like here, and then it's going to pop like that. It's not like an early morning or something, but you can just animate it. Let's go and animate a sprite. So now we're going to pick a sprite. I will choose, what should I choose? Which one is a walking sprite? Oh, I know. I think it's Avery. Avery is a walking sprite, right? Avery walking. Let's get that Avery walking and put her here. Now we're going to make her walk across the stage. So she is going to be walking. And we're going to do forever loop and move 10 steps. If she is done, if on edge, bounce, and then she's going to go back, and then she's going to keep walking. So now, anyways, we're going to go to control and drag it out of forever loop. Now we are going to put a one green flag clicked on top because it's going to be happening when the green flags click. So as you can see, she is walking. Oh my gosh, look at her. She is upside down and she is inside. She's upside down. She's upside down. Oh my gosh, what is going on with her? She is crazy. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Let's make her walk upside down. That will be very silly. But instead we can do that just for fun. Okay, anyways, now we're going to drag out another one green flag clip, and then we are going to go to the control and drag out a forever loop. And now what we're going to do is we are going to drag out, wait 1 second. We can probably perhaps 5 seconds. And we are going to drag out a next costume from the looks category and put it in the forever loop. Perhaps we can also make a sound. Whoa, oh my gosh, look at her. She is so silly. Okay, anyways, how about we choose a sound? Let's make it play a sound when she walks or something. Delete the pop sound, maybe use some other sound. Dance. Oh, we can do this dance magic. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah, we're gonna make this play forever. in a forever loop because she's walking forever, like upside down and upside down and everything. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and click on Dance Magic. Now, whoa, that's a very big sound, but still it's gonna be okay. I'll be teaching you how to animate the sound in my next video. If you want to check it out, just go to my channel, Learn the Scratch, or just call it Learn Scratch. Okay, anyways, well, let's go and go to the code. And now we are going to drag out another one green flag clicked. One green flag clicked events. So we're going to drag that out. And now what we're going to do is we are going to go to and drag out the control category and drag out another forever loop. Yeah, we're using lots of forever loops in this. Okay, anyways, now how to get the sound is you have to go to the sound category and there'll be this start sound Dance Magic. It's gonna keep it's gonna keep playing something. If you want to stop all the sound, just click stop on the stand. So now we drag out the play sound Dance Magic until done. It's gonna keep playing. So as you can see, I'm going to play it and I'm going to show you how it's done with Silly Avery walking upside down and straight. I don't know why she's at the -57 direction because she kind of looks normal. Okay, anyways, we are going to go ahead and click the flag and see how she does. Oh my gosh, look at her. Oh my gosh. What is going on with her? I love the music. What is going on? She's upside down right now. She's -90 direction. Oh my gosh, what is going on with Avery? Okay, and that is all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Learn Scratch videos. If the notification bell appears for you, please click the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my awesome Learn Scratch videos. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye, guys.